Hi, we'll be talking about that how to read case laws. तो सबसे पहली चीज which you have to keep in your mind कि whenever you are writing law answers, be it mains का exam, your semester exam or any competitive exam in which law is your optional, then you must be writing along with the relevant provisions of law case laws. And the problem lies at कि पढ़ना कैसे है. So you have to go thoroughly with respect to the case laws. आपको fact भी दिमाग में रखना होगा. You never know. Direct from the fact of the question that case, you'll be getting one caution in DGS or some other state जहाँ पे applied caution is there. So you have to read the fact of the case. You have to read the issues which are involved in that. You have to see the rationale behind those issues, and you have to see what arguments the parties have put, and the ratio and the obiter also you have to keep in mind. Because you never know from which part of the case caution is there. It could be directly from the judgment or the rationale behind the judgment. And how to go detail, what about the latest case laws, what about the landmark. So come to PLA, will be helping you in each minor detail. Thank you.